Hey Griffin, so I'm going to do some of the work involved with simplifying ratios, okay, for day 11. So let's look at these ratios here. My goal here is to simplify these down to the simplest form. So when I look at these, I want to say, okay, what number divides into both parts of my ratio? So let's look at number one here. Number one, I have 30 and I have 9, right? So I want a number that will divide into 30 and into 9. So you can think about it for a second, okay? Let's start with like 2, right? Does 2 divide into 30 and 9? Well, 2 does not, right? Because 2 goes into 30, but 9 is not even, so 2 cannot go into it, okay? What about 3? Well, 3 does work, okay? So let's see if we have any others. 4 won't because 9 is not even, okay? What about 5? No. 6? No. 7? Not quite. Okay, so we're looking at 3. So we're going to divide both sides by 3. When I divide both sides by 3, 30 divided by 3 is 10. And then 9 divided by 3 is going to give me 3. So my new ratio is 10 to 3. Okay, and this is in simplest form. Okay, notice that 3 is a prime number and 10 is not divisible by 3, so my ratio here is going to be 10 dot dot 3. Let's do another one here. Notice here right off the cuff, like right off the back, I know these are both even numbers, so I could use 2 if I wanted to. I could also keep going higher, see if there's any other number. 4 doesn't go into 10, 5 doesn't go into 18, 6 doesn't go into 10, so it looks like I'm going to have to use 2. So I divide both sides by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So my new ratio here is 9 to 5. Okay, notice here, those are in the simplest form. Do some more here. Notice here with the 80 to 50, you'll probably be like, okay, they both are factors of 10, so I can divide both sides by 10, right? So you're just looking for numbers that you could do. So 80 divided by 10 is 8. 50 divided by 10 is going to give me 5. 8 to 5 is in simplest form. Now, if you wanted to, you could do 2 into both of these. But notice here, if I did 2 into both of these, and I'll just do it on the side real fast, I'd have 40 to 25, and then you'd be like, okay, then 5. And then you would keep like this cycle going, right? It's sometimes it's easier if you just know a larger number to go into it to do that, as it'll get down to the simplest form a lot quicker. Okay, so let's look at another one here. I have 18 and 48. This one is a lot harder to see, but the number that goes into both of these is going to be 6. Okay, you could use 2 as well, but remember we want larger numbers that work. So I divide both sides by 6. 48 divided by 6 is 8. 18 divided by 6 is 3. So I get 8 to 3. Okay, let's try one more. I have 35 and 49. Notice here, 2 is not going to work. 3 may work, but we want a number that's very, very large. So notice here, 7 can go into both of them. So I'm going to divide both by 7. Bring it down. 35 divided by 7 is going to be 5. 49 divided by 7 is 7. So I have 5 to 7. My suggestion for you, if you're really, really struggling with this, is to get a calculator. Start experimenting with these and see if you can't find some patterns. Okay, good luck.